Welcome to MyGuide. How to import company's details. Click on Contacts. Click on Companies. Click on Import. Click on View Import Guide. Coming to HubSpot from Excel or Google Sheets. The guide below will walk you through how to prepare your files for a successful import. Click on Download Sample Spreadsheet. Need to see this in action first. Download this small sample file and test the import process so there are no surprises. Click on Start an Import. What would you like to import? Select one option to import contact, file from computer, or contacts from Gmail. For example, select file from your computer. Click on Next. How many files are you importing? You can upload one file, or multiple files at a time. You'll be able to choose how many objects you are importing later. For example, select one file. Click on Next. How many objects are you importing? In HubSpot CRM, objects are data types used to organize your info. Common objects are contacts, companies, deals, and more. For example, select one object. Click on Next. Select Companies. The businesses you work with, which are commonly called accounts or organizations. Click on Next. Drag and drop, or choose a file to upload your contacts. All .csv, .xlsx, and .xls files types are supported. Select this checkbox to update existing companies using company ID exported from HubSpot. Click on Next. Select this checkbox if you don't want to import data in unmatched columns. Click on Next. Click on Finish Import. After the import begins, you'll be taken back to the Imports dashboard. Thank you.